6 investment tips that will make you rich in 2024. The first investment you can do is investing in yourself. It's always important to invest in yourself. You should dedicate time, efforts, and resources to improve your skills, knowledge, and your overall well-being. So, investing in yourself can yield you a long-term benefit and can enhance your career prospects, personal growth, and satisfaction. So when you're able to invest in self, you'll be satisfied of the skill that you have acquired, even whatever growth that you might have financially, even the knowledge that you'll have, it will always help you in one way or the other in case you're meaning to start a business. So the skill that you've acquired will be able to help you out. The second investment you can do is the fixed deposit. With a fixed deposit, it is a financial instrument offered by banks and other financial institutions where you deposit a certain amount of money in the bank for a fixed, predetermined interest rate. So you always get interest for your investment. Whatever amount you've been depositing, there's always interest that can be given to you. So whenever you're thinking of considering fixed investment, you should know, is your investment safe? What will be the interest rate that will be charged? How will it be? Will it be compound or it will be in a simple manner? So you have to also consider that. You have to also consider the taxes that will be levied on your investment. So those are some of the things that you should consider as you're thinking of doing fixed investment. So the third investment that you can do is the stocks. You can invest in stocks. Stocks are also known as shares. So that shares represent ownership in a company. When you buy a share or a stock, you become a shareholder and you own a proportion of the company based on the number of shares that you have as an individual. So when you buy those shares, you will always have the voting rights. Yeah, every shareholder or every investor in the stocks always has those rights that are given to them, like the voting right. You can exercise your rights. Whatever decision that is based concerning the company, you will always have a say in it. And then the fourth investment you can do is the mutual funds. Mutual funds are investment vehicles that pull money from multiple investors. So with the mutual funds, multiple investors can come together and put money in one pool. So with the hopes of investing in other various assets. So you will always have that portfolio of assets. Like you can be having some assets, examples of all types of assets like the index fund, stock fund, bond fund, the balanced fund. So whatever asset you think it suits you best, you'll be able to do what to invest in it. So always with mutual funds, there's diversification, whereby the risk that will be associated with your investment is spread across all assets that are involved in your portfolio. So this can be another important investment that you can consider, because the risk that is associated can be diversified in one way or the other, because you will always have a lot of investment to consider when you're a lot of assets that you'll consider to do to invest in. So the next investment, or the fifth investment that you can consider, is the treasury bills. The treasury bills are short-term debt instruments issued by government. So whenever the government wants to raise funds from the public, they can mean to issue the treasury bills. Yeah, the purpose of them issuing is always to raise funds to finance their obligations. Whatever obligation that they may be having, they will consider having issuing the treasury bills to the public. So the treasury bills always mature from usually a few days to a year. So you as a person, when you invest in treasury bill, just know by some 2 to 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, you will always have your return from your investment. So it's always important to know that. And invest treasury bills are also considered to be the most safest investment because they are always backed up by government credit. So as a person, you can also consider investing in what? In treasury bills. The last investment you can consider or you can do is investing in bonds. Bonds are debt instrument issued by government, corporations, municipalities. The purpose of them issuing these bonds to the public, it's to raise fund, just like the treasury bills. The main purpose of them issuing is to what? To raise fund for their what? For their obligations or whatever expenditure they might be having that they want to finance. So they'll always issue those bonds to the public. So there are some types of bonds, or yeah, some types of bonds that you can consider investing in. We have the government bonds. These are issued by government. The municipal bonds, or the municipal bonds which are issued by municipalities, and then the cooperative bonds which are offered by corporations. Whatever corporation is in the public, they might consider issuing these bonds to people. So these are some of the investments that I want you to consider if you want to make yourself rich in a short time to come. So thank you for watching. I would appreciate when you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So turn on the notification bell so that any information that I'll be dropping here, you won't miss out. Thank you. Bye bye.